students, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? We are discussing all important concepts of 3 mark questions in Polynomials Chapter 2, Class 10th CBSE. Here we go to the question number 40. What must be added to this polynomial so that resulting polynomial is divisible by x square minus 2x minus 3? So what is the biquadratic polynomial here? 4x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1. So what must be added to this polynomial so that it is resulting will be completely divisible? Minus 2x square plus x minus 1. So how to solve this problem? What is the logic we are applying here? That is very important. So just we'll go with normal division. Definitely we will get some remainder. Some remainder we'll get it. At the last we'll get some remainder. So whatever we are getting the remainder, for this we have to take minus r to that one. Whatever we will get the remainder, definitely this is we are dividing with the second order polynomial. When we'll divide with second order polynomial, we'll get first order polynomial as a remainder. So that is in the form of ax plus b. So suppose this is the remainder you are getting. This is the remainder you are getting. So what is minus r of that one? So minus ax and minus b should be added to that so that the resulting polynomial will be divided with x square minus 2x minus 3. So that is the logic we are applying here. Whatever the remainder we are getting, for that we are taking it as minus r of that. Minus r of that one. So let's we see this one. We'll divide and we'll check it. No. So always first term by first term. That is clearly 4x power 4 divided with x square. Clearly what you are getting 4x square. So I am using 4x square here. So whatever this trinomial, this total trinomial you have to multiply with 4x square. In the quotient we have got 4x square. So all these three terms you have to multiply with 4x square every time. This is every time. So x square into 4x square, that is 4x power 4 minus 2x into 4x square, clearly that is minus 8x cube, minus 3 into plus 4x square, it is clearly 12x square. So subtract it. While you are subtracting, change the signs. Plus become minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. So first term will be get cancels. Plus 8 plus 2, it becomes 10x cube. Plus 12 minus 2, plus 12 minus 2, again we are getting 10x square. And whatever the value we are dumping here it is. So plus x minus 1. Again first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So that is clearly it is 10x cube divided with x square. What you will get it is clear it is 10x. So I am reusing here 10x. Again this total trinomial we are multiplying with 10x now. X square into 10x. So 10x cube minus 2x into 10x minus 20x square minus 3 into 10x minus 30x. So once again we'll subtract, plus become minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. So first time will be get cancels. So here plus 20 plus 10, total 30x square I am getting. Plus 30 plus 1, Total it is 31x we are getting, and minus 1 I am taking again. Here it is. So what is the order of this remainder? I'm getting second order expression. Here also we have second order. Further we can divide it. So first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So 30x square divided with x square. You will get simply 30. So this 30 I'm reusing here. So again, this trinomial we have to multiply with 30. So x square into 30. So 30x square minus 2x into 30 minus 60x minus 3 into 30. So minus 90. So once again we'll subtract, plus become minus and minus become plus, and minus become plus. Clearly first term will get cancels. Plus 60 plus 31. Total 91x we are getting. Total 91x we are getting. 90 minus 1. 90 minus 1. That is clearly 89. 89. So whatever we are getting the remainder. So the remainder what we are getting it as 91x plus 89. So what should be must be added to this polynomial so that the resulting polynomial will be divisible. So that we have to take it as minus r. So minus 91x minus 89 should be added to biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. So that is your answer. You also recheck and verify it whether you are getting the same answer or not. So that's all about this problem. We are doing by long division method. Whatever we are getting the remainder, that we are taking exactly minus of that.